Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another really cute little Miu Miu to show you today. So this is a Miu Miu Shoulder, and we've got one removable strap, and you can see it's in this really cool geometric pattern canvas fabric. And then along the back, we've got that little Miu Miu logo there, and we've got one exterior zipped pocket. So I'll just open up that and show you inside there. So inside there, we've got kind of a satiny fabric lining. And then along the front, we've got one flap closure. It's got a little Miu Miu push pin fasten. So you just push that and then you can see it releases that lock. And then inside, super nice and simple. We've just got one flat pocket here. And then the rest of it, still got a tag in there, I'll just pop that out. And then the rest of it is just one main compartment there. The condition of this one, we've called the exterior and the hardware good. When you close this flap, you just have to pop it in there and then slide that back across, and you can see that locks that into place. So the exterior condition we've called good, and that's because there's just a couple of little marks on the leather. So you can see a little mark just here, and you can see in the corners where there's a little bit of creasing, you can see where that's pushed in a little bit. And there's just small kind of surface marks on that leather. You can only really see it in a certain lighting. So that is the front of the bag. The back is in very nice condition. There's very minimal marking on there. You can see just a little bit of a mark there. And then you've got that base as well. So those corners actually are in a nice condition. This front corner here has a little bit of wear to it. You can see a mark just here. And some of that leather trim is just kind of fraying a little bit. But for the most part, those corners are actually in a very nice condition, and you can see that shape is still really nice as well. So that is why we've called the exterior good. The hardware we've called good. It's all got that lovely gold tone, and it still looks really nice and shiny. There's just areas where it's got a little bit of dullness, a little bit of wear to it. So you can see little small scratches on there. And then along the front on this lock, again, just kind of hairline scratches from where that's been sat on there. So that is why I've called that hardware good. The interior is called very good. There's practically no signs of wear or marks for me to show you in there. You can just tell that it has been used before. You can see where that's a little bit wrinkled across there. So that is why I've called that interior very good, because that is in a gorgeous condition. I'll get that closed again. Again, you just pop that in there, and then you push that one across and it gets it locked into place. So it comes with the Miu Miu dust bag. See the little Miu Miu logo along the bottom there. And the exact measurements for this shoulder will be on our website. So if you go to the link in the description below, it's a link to shop this exact bag on armcandybagco.com, which is our website. That link should usually take you directly to this bag, but as you know, if you do click that link and it doesn't take you directly to that bag, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if you're looking out for one of these, then just let us know, send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you'd love one of these, and we'll get you on our request list, and then we'll let you know as soon as we have another one. So that is a request list. Exact measurements are on the website. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and I just love this like fabric, geometric pattern fabric strap. I think it's really funky. So you can have it on your shoulder like that. There we go, right around. Or as it is adjustable as well. So we kind of got it on the middle setting at the minute, but you can make it a bit longer, a bit shorter. But for me, this is a nice length to have it as a crossbody too. So it's a really perfect height on me. And again, I just love this canvas strap. It looks really cool, it's really funky pattern, and it's really comfortable to wear as well. So that is this Miu Miu shoulder. Again, go to the link in the description below if you're interested in a few more details about it. Have a browse through all of our other beautiful arm candy. We've got so much gorgeous stuff on our website for you at the moment, so don't forget to have a look through there. Sign up to our newsletter while on our website. If you scroll to the bottom of any page, you'll find a little you'll find a little box where you can pop your email in. When you pop your email in there, sign up to our newsletter, we will send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Also have a look at the How to Sell Us page right on there. If you're interested in selling any of your bags, all the details you need to know are on that page. And don't forget, while you're here, to like this video and also subscribe to our channel. We don't want any of you to miss out on some of these gorgeous bags that we've got to show you. So hit that alert button, and we'll be back very soon with some more.